The hooks aren't the problem. It's the style of content that you are creating on your account, and it's too inconsistent. So I'm going to talk about why it's affecting the algorithm, why it's affecting your views and your overall conversions and just GMV and different things like that. We'll talk about why consistency is important for just algorithmic trust, and then I'll give you like a final message you can take away from this video. So first off, why is it important to create consistent content on TikTok Shop? Whenever you create TikTok Shop videos consistently, or just TikTok videos in general, what it will do is build up rapport of your account based on the viewers and the engagement, what type of people are interested in that style of video. What happens when you switch up your content, and whenever I say switch up, I mean, are you posting skits one day and then posting a talking head video the next? Are you posting product plug videos? Are you posting bottom of funnel videos? Whenever you change up your style to that degree, it's messing with your algorithm 100%, because TikTok doesn't know who to send the video to. And what that will do is it'll hurt your videos, baseline viewers, and TikTok will devalue that video as a video people aren't really engaged with or people don't really care about. And that really, really sucks, because even if you have a 10 out of 10 video, you've copied viral videos using viral scans, you know it's converted for other people but not for you, then it's probably your content style was not consistent enough. Whenever you create content that is consistent, TikTok can then build up the lookalike audiences. It can send the videos that you create to people that have engaged with it in the past. They know that that's the style that they like watching, and that helps you switch up from product to product, really. I mean, I don't have another product here beside me. All of them are behind me, but that's really, really important. That's a key thing that you're probably doing wrong with your TikTok account. So when your early engagement takes a hit, then if you've been doing TikTok long enough, you know that the views will stack in increments. So you'll get the first 200 views. If that does well and converts, or if that does well and you have relatively good engagement and average watch time, it'll send it to more people until the video either breaks through and goes viral, or it stops. You kind of get stuck at whatever views you get stuck at. So if your last 10 videos consistently carry the same style, TikTok then can build up a solid rapport and a solid lookalike audience that will help your engagement. So for instance, if you post a video that's skit style and you're targeting maybe the same age range, same demographic, that is going to directly help your baseline views. And what I mean by that is, if the video is horrible, but it's the same style that people in that lookalike audience watch, it can help with average watch time, which is probably, I would say, the most important thing when trying to get more views on TikTok. And in return, you'll get more views than just like 200 views, for instance. If you can build up the content for your account, you are going to automatically be put in a, not necessarily a league of your own, but way higher than some of these other people that are creating different content every single day and have multiple accounts. If you don't have more than one account and you're struggling with, well, I want to post this style because it's working, and then I want to also do this style, then have multiple accounts. Find a style that works for you and stick with it. And that right there will set you up for success in the future, because that little lookalike audience that like watching those style videos, they will automatically push your videos retention, or push your videos, retention, average watch time, watch full video rate, and maybe engagement, so on and so forth. Now, that doesn't mean that your hooks or your text on screen or your lighting, your aesthetics doesn't need to be up to par for the video to do well. It still needs to kind of flow properly. But if you've never tried this, you need to try it out, because a lot of you, it's not your hooks, it's not the way you're delivering it in the video, it's your content styles changing too much. TikTok's algorithm will do the work for you. It just takes time to learn about your account. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video. Let's make some money on TikTok Shop.